Good morning, babes, and welcome back to a new week. Welcome back to a new vlog. So today I'm going to be making my wig and stuff. By the time y'all see this video, the wig would have already been made, so I could show you all the things that I bought for it. So yes, so I have my little duck clips. I have two stocking caps, a brown and like a nude. I have a dome cap. I have the T-pins. Don't mind the poor little mannequin head. I've had it for years and I gave my sister it and ta-da! So I know what she use it for. Comb, weaving, needle and thread. Got to be good. Some mousse, water, the edge wrap thingy-ma-bob. And I have them here because I washed them. I washed the bundles last night. So I have them here just, chillaxing. I need to blow dry them. The closure dry, but the bundles didn't dry. So yeah. So yeah, I am also just prepping stuff to cook. Basically what I'm making is just like stew fish and not stew, I steam steam fish. I think steam fish. Can't put it in the oven, but that's a very trouble damn thing and maybe steam. Whatever. Stew steam fish kicks. And some lentil peas and some jasmine rice, something real simple and easy today. The only thing is I don't have pumpkin, because pumpkin spoiled, so it'll just be lentil peas with pumpkin. So yeah, basically that's what I'm doing today for the while. Oh, look at breeze, also nice and blue boy. Today been a good day for the beach, like a very good day for the beach, but they are closed. We are back on restrictions. So yeah, I'll come back to all the painting changes. Alright y'all, so my rice is finished. I have the lentil piece here, that's almost finished too. And I just transferred the fish into the baking tray. And I am going to put it in the oven. So I just use foil to do my fish, because I just like how it's come out. So it's like steamy basically. And I just fold it over and put it in the oven. And stuffies. Yeah, and I'm gonna cook down these, like saute them real lightly, and when the fish almost finished, put it over it and then put it back in the oven for it to get all the nice aromas and stuffies now boy. And what I'm gonna I'm going to steam some pak choy to go with it, and that is lunch for today earlier. Real simple, real easy, real quick, and it tastes good. So yeah. Alright y'all, so I have the stuff is caramelizing. You see, you don't want the onion to be too soft, but you don't want it to be too hard neither. This looks like if it's almost done. So yeah. And this going over your fish when it's almost done cook. So I don't really do anything, I just add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, a little bit. And that's because I want like the aroma of the stuff itself to, do the do now boy. So yeah. I don't know what was wrong with the eye, but since I don't please. Small lady sleeping. So I can't see she. But Jacob, please don't come quite Belmont today. I'm begging. Ja, kijk zo hè.
Oh man, welcome to the trade show. We got what you need, bring them something they can pay for. Painted on a smile when I'm stepping on my doorstep. I need from the world what she giving me before. T-T-E-N-T-I-O-N. Snap a photo with my girl, but post a picture with her friend. I'ma lose my head, tryna find myself again. Doing circles in the feed, only let them see me win.
Pieces of me that I wanna see the most. I shrug and I grin whenever my shot goes in. This is my show when I'm taking over again. To my highlight reel, ain't showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real. All the dunks and the touchdowns and home runs. Welcome to my highlight reel, ain't showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real. All the dunks and the touchdowns and home runs.
I gave them everything they wanted, but they still gon' take my picture. Yeah, they wanna see me shine it on. Burning bridges by the morning. If I leave, it's not important, baby. I've been trying to take it all. Yeah, I've been ready to ride. So if you riding my wave, I've been avoiding what feel like shit. Whoever said they get lonely at the top was probably all by themselves and they had no one to take. They flip.
Pieces of me that I wanna see the most.
That I want them to see.
I shrug and I grin like I'm Michael Jordan. This is my show when I'm taking over again. To my highlight reel, ain't showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real. All the dunks and the touchdowns and home runs. Welcome to my highlight reel, ain't showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real. All the dunks and the touchdowns and home runs. Pieces of me that I want them to see. All of the things that I just wanna be. Let's run it back, Max. Tell them about it, Max. We ain't never stressing. You can always catch us flexing on a highlight reel, ain't showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real. All the dunks and the touchdowns and home runs. Welcome to my highlight reel, ain't showing how the sidelines feel. Maybe they'll believe it's real. All the dunks and the touchdowns and home runs. Highlight reel, highlight reel, highlight reel, highlight reel, highlight reel, highlight reel.
Easy to be misunderstood. No one knows I'm acting every time they're asking. Make them believe that it's all good. Faking smiles and laughing, playing like I'm happy all the time. The girl who can do everything, never bothered by anything. Crying till I can't cry no more. What the hell am I crying for? Keep saying I'm okay, I'm okay. Telling them I'm okay, I'm okay. Even though mascara's running down my face. Really, I'm okay, I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm down on Melrose with my friends. Everybody's smoking, honestly I'm lonely. My mind is somewhere else again. Scrolling through my Insta, don't wanna get into this right now. The girl who's down for anything, go out to forget everything. Crying till I can't cry no more. What the hell am I crying for? Keep saying I'm okay, I'm okay. Telling them I'm okay.
Y'all, this is initially face. It done. Right. Look at that glow, yo.
Hi.
Ole Jacob on daddy mode. He mixing tea.
are all over the place. I have one already. Making 2 bottles here already. So one is a baby girl and one is for 9 eyes. So I'm trying to get you step here. Because I have some technique to this, right? So first, I half it with water. You know what? Have a little more than half. Throw back some here. Alright. Then this here.
Like too much of water.
Nah, that's good. The rest good enough water. So that's the mix. And this water cold. Yeah. So here I have cereal and milk. And we should it in here like this, right? These containers, pennywise, only $10 for 3.
I think I remember hearing you talk about that.
So you can't go wrong with that. You put it in the bottle. You shake it up. Right? And it's just to add hot water to this, right? So that is just to add hot water. This one here, this one has 1 ounce of cold coming over here.
Yeah?
I get up to 4 ounces now. Covering it. I mix it. I test it. It's a little bit too hot. So, treat some water in here, right? They come up to 5. Only we forget the hot water till it must swim. Yeah, with that kind of appearance. But it's a good thing. We make a bottle, put 2 of them before we come down the road. So same thing now. I cover it back. I test the water. It's just right. And I want to feed that now. So it has 5 ounces of water here. So I have to put 5 scoops. Well, you know we endorse the lactogen brand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now I'm saying, baby butter making.
Yeah, how to make baby butter. Levi, taking notes, right?
I'm observing.
Shake it up now, right? And this is why you can't do this and measure, right? Gabby has seen that I made tea earlier, and then I put the water in the next bottle and then show it to you because the 5 ounce mark all there, it's down here. And how it does mix up and then kind of thing, watch how high it's looking, right? And it's only 5 ounces. That's why you measure twice, pour, and then add it.
You know, I could have said measure twice and cut once.
You can't cut water.
That's what I could have said, measure twice and cut once.
Now measure twice and pour in this after. So you measure twice and then pour in this. And now you see that? Noraya won't just have to add the hot water now, right? So Noraya taking a little nap, so I should get up. You just add in the hot water and it's ready for 9 minutes.
Yeah.
How to make tea? Trinidad version, right, Gabby?
Times it is the night. So Nich and Jacob leave about 3 hours ago. And it is so sweet. They make sure it's like properly stocked. I have initially favorite Portugal Minute Maid. And the smaller one, I guess she might forget to take this one. She was going. Caribe. You know, we had some drinks. And then Jacob had bought the mint catch for Nich and I to do a video. But to be honest, it's just be so nice to catch up with friends we ain't seen in a while. We talk, laugh and all kind of thing. Whole time I do a face and thing, and by the time we done it's like, oh shucks, it's after 9. Real kicks. And sis, get some snacks. So you know I was supposed to give all of this initially, and Jacob, before they see this, well, I know they go see this vlog. I was supposed to give all of this because I have 2. So I was supposed to give all of one of this to go with, and I clean forgot. Jacob, if you have a TTRS any time in the Port of Spain area in the coming, you know, days or week, let me know and pass by me for this. And I clean forget I had ice cream for them, you know. Clean forget that. Clean forget this and the almond joys, else I was going in a hot bag for them to carry up the road. But yeah, all this. So right now I'm going to flat iron my wig. Yeah, and finish up that video for all you. Is that last clip I do? Yeah, just flat ironing it. Oh, I'm cutting off the dome cap underneath. I just go and watch some new show called what? Couples Retreat that VH1 have out with all these people or whatever. So yeah, let me go and do that. It's like after 11, is it? Yes, it's like after 11 midnight. Mr. Is that nobody asks you to talk? Anyways, so it's like after 11 at night, I cannot sleep, so I am going to do that. Oh, I want to take the catch thing. Oh, it's not a catch. Okay, it's not a catch fan, like at all. I don't like catch. So let's see. Let me try it real quick for you. I have my peaches up in Georgia. Oh, that's it. Something about California, yeah, that's it. Well, that's it, but you're people them songs. Hot mess, you know, hot mess, all you can see, man. Let me see if my ring light will help. That's trick. That could work, man. Let's see. Initially, should I take the next one because she could have do one in our vlog, you know, and just compare. Like I told Jacob, I don't mind what it tastes good because mint and chocolate is always tastes good in my opinion. But I don't really a chocolate lover. But what I would say, I would pick up this over the original because I don't like the original. But I would pick up this one. It doesn't taste bad, it tastes nice. It's not like a overpowering mint or anything. It is nice, so yeah. Good morning, babies. It's the next morning. My head hurts me. Time for this thing to come out. Oh my god. Like I just know anytime you take out hairstyles when my hair started hurt me. Time to get this out. But anyways, so it's the next morning. I want to eat sappadilla. Initially leave 2 sappadilla for me yesterday. You know I've heard about it, but I never tasted it. I never ate it. You know you song 2 sappadilla and Nich banana. I forget the name of that song, but yeah, I can't remember who to sing it. Anyways, so today I want to take out his head, to be honest. Yeah, this head had to come out. It's starting to annoy me. Like when my hair growing out and it's in a style, I get headaches. I know that's weird, but my scalp just started like throb. And my head started hurt me, so I just know like when it's time to take it out. It's been 3 weeks, so that's not bad. Like 3 weeks of this. And it's still looking presentable-ish. Like I could have pushed this for next week, but these headaches ain't no joke. So yeah, I'm just feeling a little sore. Time to take it out, man. Time to take it out. We have some good new growth, so that's good. Anyways, all this. So today could be real chill. Yesterday I had so much fun with Nich and Jacob, and to the 2 baby girls. This, oh my god, they're so cute. Naraya is such a darling. And baby girl, oh my gosh, she's like the perfect baby. Sis ain't even ball and thing. Sis was just eating, napping, liming, you know. Sis was like, you know, the real MVP. But yeah, so I'm gonna deal with this head today. Well, hopefully, if I laziness take me, this not coming out. But I need to take it out, wash my hair, leave it for a little while, then clean it back up. Cause my wig is finished. So I'll be putting on that. But yeah, all yeah. So that's what looking like for today. So yeah, if anything else come up, I'll pick all the bags. Don't mind the fro. Yes, I took out my hair. All of my hair growing so nicely. It's so beautiful. Yes. Anyways, I came to the end of this week's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all, I have a lot of content coming. It's just to like sit down and film it. So within the next few days, my uploading schedule may be a little bit off. But you all are going to get videos upon videos, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. If you just find the video and you're not subscribed, what would you like? Click that cute little subscribe button and the bell so you'd be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.